bike. Back here, we got the Sapient double flat jacket rear rim hooked up to a Sapient cassette hub with 9T drive with an Odyssey tire. And then I've got Snafu pedals hooked up to a KMC cool chain, purple, 25 tooth sprocket, chromoly cranks. We have a frame forged seat, my good luck charm, Sapient frame, a stock Sapient front wheel single, next to a nylon tire. I think it inflates to about 40 to 65 psi. I have it aired up all the way. I like my tires nice and aired. Bars, they're stock, just Sapient. I kind of like how they have different colors mashing in here. These are different grips. Mushroom grips. Got them off Dance Comp. I don't think I'm missing anything. Brakes are just, everything's pretty much chromoly. And this right here, back wheel, it's a little bit bigger than my front, not much, but right here, it's pretty much like flat, so really helps with manuals. And, you know, got some jacked up bar ends. Just came with the bike. That's my bike. Yeah.